Larry Ambrose. I've been in the neighborhood for almost 40 years. And since the time I moved into Berkeley back in the early 70s, I've been involved in the neighborhood movement. Started Northwest Neighbors back in 1973 and started a business. I was first on Tennyson Street and then moved to Upper 15th Street, 15th and Boulder. My wife had the Kite Store starting in 1975 at 15th and Boulder. I was next door to Muddy Waters Coffee House, and in those days, right as the savings and loan boom came along, you'll remember our neighborhood was threatened with high-rise development all along the bluff. So we formed Jefferson Highlands Sunnyside Neighborhood Association, and we fought that oversized, overscaled development successfully. We implemented covenants on the historic buildings, many of which are still standing today because of that. So I cut my teeth on this area of Northwest Denver. And then I got involved in 32nd Avenue. We moved the Kite Store to 32nd and Perry. And I was involved in helping to bury the power lines and actually starting the business district of 32nd and Lowell, Highland Square. We were the pioneers. And you know, as we moved into those areas, we were renting, and of course, we started the movement, and then the properties went up so much that the artists and the creative businesses had to leave. So I've learned how to create, I think I've learned how to create business districts where people can stay. That's really important. Ownership is really important. I have been a businessman and a neighborhood activist for many, many years, and I didn't do this because I wanted to run for city council. But in the process, I learned so much about the city, how it operates, how city council operates, the kind of questions they ask and the kind of questions they don't ask. That's critically important. So, as a city council person, I would be the kind of person that asks the right questions, the kind of person who has the vision, the creative ideas. I live in Sloan's Lake now. I'm the president of the Sloan's Lake Neighborhood Association. I've also been involved for the last 5 years in Inter-Neighborhood Cooperation. I'm the vice chair of Inter-Neighborhood Cooperation, and I'm the co-chair of the Parks and Recreation Committee. And in that capacity, I've been trying to enhance and build our parks and protect them from commercialization. And I think we've done a pretty good job to this point. We need a lot more work in that area. We can't let our parks be taken over by private interests. We don't need advertising in our parks. We don't need to fence off parts of parks and keep people out. We need parks for the quality of life. So quality of life is related to economic development, and I want to see Northwest Denver and Federal Boulevard grow with the smart kind of investment, the smart kind of development, and to integrate our district as part of the rest of Denver. You know, I can walk from my house to Lodo faster than I can walk around the park. But we don't think of it that way. People don't think of this area as like we do Uptown and Capitol Hill. We need to break down those physical barriers and psychological barriers and connect this area. That's how we're going to do this. But we're not going to do it with high-density overdevelopment in the Platte Valley, which is going to run traffic through our neighborhood and take away the energy that we need to have in this area. And so my vision is to integrate this area, Northwest Denver, downtown, in a way that brings tourism, brings visitors, enhances our quality of life without the impacts of traffic on the neighborhoods. I'm Larry Ambrose. I've been doing this for a while, and I want to continue doing this in a position where I can really have an impact. Thank you so much.